Let's learn how to divide the number 415 by 5 using the long division method. As 4 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 41. We know that 5 times 8 is 40 and 40 is closer to 41. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. And we know that 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 415 divided by 5 is equal to 83. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.